If you're looking to doing an Ausbildung in Germany and you are not a citizen, European citizenship, so this video is for you. First of all, let's introduce what an Ausbildung means. An Ausbildung is a professional training in any chosen field, and for sure it doesn't require any university studies. Further, Germany is one of the most important countries in this sector. However, to apply for Ausbildung in Germany, there are 5 steps you have to pass through. So let's go to develop these steps step by step. But before everything, make sure to subscribe with my channel and let's get started. First of all, in the first step, you have to begin learning the German language in your home country. That's not too difficult. It's easy for everyone. You need to apply. So you have to get level B1 at least, and this level need around 6 months to be done. So everyone able to get this level. Unfortunately, without the German language, you're not able to apply. After reaching level B1 in German, now we need to relocate to the next step, the second one. In this step, we are obliged to write and create CV and motivation letter in German language and pay according to the European standard. And anyone need help in this point, he can contact us through our WhatsApp number on the top left, this number, to treat it for him. In the motivation letter, there are some points you need to mention them, like why you choose this Ausbildung, why you choose Germany, and other points. In meantime, you need to translate your school certificate into German language, and this translation should be authorized. And stamped from German embassy in your home country. As well as you have to recognize your certificate in Germany. I'll explain in the next video how this procedure goes on, but I leave the link of recognizing in the first comment and I will pin it. In the third step, you need to fill out an online application addressing your chosen Ausbildung. About how to know this website, I will mention them in the first comment as well and in the description of this video. And there are several websites treating this. In the fourth step, and after getting an acceptance from any Ausbildung, you need to relocate now to apply for the visa. The Ausbildung visa is based on 3 essential things. First, the contract that you got it, and open a blocked account in Germany. You have to open a blocked account in Germany through a platform called Fintiba, okay? And you have to deposit around 980 euro per month, and this amount should be covered period stay in Germany. Okay, for example, you will stay 6 months, your period visa, for example, you will stay 6 months, your program lasts to 6 months, for example, you will stay 6 months in Germany, right? So you have to deposit 930 euro by 6. You will get the result. You have to deposit them into blocked account through the platform Fintiba. And thirdly, you have to have a health insurance that cover you in Germany. And the last step, and after getting the visa and arriving to Germany, you have to schedule an appointment with something called Ausländerbehörde in Germany. This is an government organization responsible to give you the residency. However, you have to submit your file and presence there to get the residency in Germany. So, in this video, I've covered everything about Ausbildung for non-European citizenship. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and if you need any help, you can contact us through WhatsApp, and have a nice day.